Choose your gift. The Mystery Box Edition. 2 gift is good and 1 gift is bad, so that choose carefully. And subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Question number 1. Choose your luxurious car. Pink, black and mystery box. Would you like to chocolate? Question number 3. Choose your house. Bad luck is black gift. Next question. Be careful. Would you like to pet? Choose anyone. Oh no! Mystery box and crocodile. Please choose anyone. Choose your luxurious shoes. Pink gift for bad luck. Would you like a luxurious watch? Please choose anyone. Thanks for watching.